My name is Ty Sullivan, and I own SPF Window Films. We are in New Orleans today at the Hampton Inn Suites on Canal Street, a building that sits along one of the most important commercial corridors in America. For more than a century, Canal Street has served as the front door to New Orleans. The iconic streetcars still travel east and west through the city every day, carrying residents and visitors along the same route they followed for generations. That same east-to-west orientation, however, also means this building receives intense solar exposure throughout the day. While this hotel has been beautifully restored multiple times throughout its more than 100-year history, it still relies on the single-pane glass. That presents a challenge in the modern South, where rising temperatures and increasing cooling demands place tremendous strain on the building's mechanical systems. The hotel has spent years battling heat gain while working to keep guests comfortable and energy costs under control. That's where we come in. We began working with Mr. Wise and his team more than a year ago to identify a solution that would reduce solar heat gain without sacrificing one of the property's greatest assets, the incredible views of downtown New Orleans. After evaluating several options, we proposed, tested, and ultimately installed 3M Night Vision 25 window film. This product rejects up to 63% of total solar energy while maintaining exceptional visibility. With a solar heat gain coefficient of approximately 0.37, it allows this single-pane glass to perform much more like modern high-performance glazing. The result is a cooler, more comfortable building, reduced strain on the HVAC system, lower operating cost, and an improved guest experience, all while preserving the character and the views that make this property unique. One of the things I say often is how you do anything is how you do everything. This company was built for projects like this. After more than 25 years in the window film industry, I've never been more proud of the people I work alongside. From our partners at 3M, to Accent Distributing, to the technicians installing every square foot of film, I believe in every part of this process. Because at the end of the day, we're not just installing window film. We're helping buildings perform better, operate more efficiently, and remain comfortable for the people who use them every day.